One out of every five people unknowingly presses their teeth tightly and grinds them at night. Night grinding or bruxism, it's like a silent tooth destroyer. Without realizing it, we clench our teeth tightly. Some common signs are morning jaw stiffness, headaches, and tooth sensitivity. If this continues, the enamel wears down and small cracks can develop in the teeth. Usually, stress and late night caffeine intake are the reasons. Try to stay calm before bedtime, avoid caffeine or cola after 6 pm, and do some light jaw stretches. But the main solution is a custom night guard that is properly fitted, provided the right protection. If you have these symptoms, don't delay. Get a dental checkup done.